New suit today.
Oh, nice.
My God, lots of things. Ooh la la la. Oh wow.
And why you bought that?
I like it.
Why you buy that?
Why? This is my gift.
That's your gift.
My gift. Don't touch my gift.
That's my gift.
Yeah, this is my gift. Oh, these are 2 burnies.
That's
Wow, lovely. Thank you very much. Oh, very nice.
Yeah? Yeah, I saw it. I was like, you're gonna love these.
Oh, wow. So beautiful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Amna and Mustafa. Amna, Mustafa, लाए ना दोनों एक एक. These are very good.
Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today is Rosa number 4. You must be wondering why I'm here at my mom's house, because my mom's having an iftar party tomorrow at her house. So I just thought I'd come here early and help her a little bit. I will see what's going on today. Okay, bye.
Oh, boy, Ben. I want me, boy. Ben. That chicken naked. Orange chicken naked.
Can you tell me what is what? The green one?
Green. The green.
What is that?
Titano.
Okay. The yellow one?
Duck.
The blue one?
Dolphin.
Good job.
Hello everyone, Ramadan Mubarak. Today is the Rosa number 5 here, and I have my son Mustafa with me here. And today I just thought I'd do a vlog for you guys. So today my mom's having an iftar party at her house, and I kind of a little busy day running some errands, so I just thought I'll take you along. So I just went to Loop Plaza, did some grocery shopping in a halal meat store. So I will be going home now and putting those groceries away, and then go get Amna from Islamic school. She is at Islamic school right now, and probably head to my mom's house after that. So I will see you in a bit. Alright, if you'd like to see more Ramadan vlogs, please give my video a thumbs up to let me know if you want to see more Ramadan vlogs. No, thumbs up. Thumbs, this is your thumb. Show them thumbs up. Thumbs up.
So this is what my mom has prepared for till now for iftari. There's some aloo butter samosa. This is some chicken kebabs. Here's some chicken, these are biscuits, but she stuffed them with some chicken and other kind of stuffings with mushrooms, bell pepper and stuff like that. That looks really yummy. And also she made some, let me show you, some brain. She made some brain here. Can't even see that. Here's the brain of the goats. That's for the dinner. And underneath is some white rice that she's making biryani of. And right now, me and my sister and I are making some pakoras right here. And now let me just show you the setup. And here's the setup for the iftari, you guys. Here's just the overview. And here's some more stuff. The plates, the spoon, the napkins, the kajur, bowls, spoons, and here's the drinks. There's the rubza, water, and some cups. Guys, this is how amateurs make pakoras. You put it in a spoon, and then you just push it out. Amateur style. Push it out. You know, push it out. Don't make fun of me. LOL. And she's done. Hi guys, so here's my outfit of the day. You can see it. Yeah.
Number what?